Okay, this happens to be the most profitable combination that comes up by default in the way we have this set. And now we can look at the optimization grid. First of all, if you notice, there's a couple threes here, but the bulk of the top sets of parameters are 2. 2 happens to be the Philadelphia Electrical Utilities average. So we can see that part of the power of this tool is that we can find which markets are most predictive, because in TradeStation we can use up to 50 markets for intermarket analysis and do this kind of optimization. So the markets that are in clusters as some of the best sets of parameters are obviously the most predictive. So we can judge which markets are predictive by using a tool like this. So we will just pick this particular set of parameters here, and we can now look at our results in TradeStation. $127,000. Do table view. We can see a $10,000 drawdown, $8,500 max close trade drawdown. So, pretty good results. Our first trade is in 2002, with 12 years of data we're optimizing over. Now, one of the things, and this is why this tool is so powerful, is let's go back here. Now, what we know about bonds is there's a seasonal weakness period in bonds, which is February through April. So we can say month does not equal 2 and month does not equal 3. So now we're filtering the long side and filtering out all the trades that are initialized in February and March, which is the seasonal weakness period in bonds. The reason for that is tax selling. Invalid expression because we forgot to close our statement. So now we're all set. Now we're going to run this and we'll take another look at our results. We still make about $126,000. $8,500 drawdown on closed trade. 65% winning trades. But you see, we're able to test this concept very quickly, as you can see, by just typing it in the parameters and not requiring understanding how to code. Let's suppose we had another idea. Whether it works or not is immaterial. And what we wanted to do is we wanted to add exits. We said, hey, it looks like trades that last too long aren't working out. So we want to exit trades after a certain number of bars. So we can say bars since entry is greater than 10. So now this will exit our trades when we've been in a trade more than 10 bars. We make 104,000. The drawdown goes up slightly. The results aren't better, but as you can see, without going back into the actual code, we were able to test this concept. Let's suppose we wanted to retest this. And now test it based on whether or not entering an opening range breakout helps us. So we can go from 0 to 1. Steps of 0.1. 0 is entering at the open. Next bar. We'll optimize these guys. These 2 to 30 again. And just for giggles, let's optimize the markets again too. 7,000 trials. So that you can see we're able to test. So we could put any sort of thing. We could say for entry, we could say ADX 10 period ADX is greater than 30 or less than 30. We could test anything we want in these Boolean expressions. And that's one of the reasons why this product is so powerful.